So this is how you can see how many pages you have on your Google Docs using the iPad. Let's get into it. So naturally, you need to have the Google Docs ready to be used. You can also just start a brand new document if you wish. And there are some settings right away, which I would recommend you to just change if you want to have like better idea about pages, right? So if you tap on the three dots in the top right corners, I would recommend you to turn on the print layout. As you can see, it just zooms it out a little bit and makes the pages show up, whereas before the whole screen was like just white background, so it might not be ideal if you want to keep track of the pages. Also, if you just keep on just going to the three dots more menu, you can find some things in here, especially in the page setup. There is the pageless version of a document, and you want to ensure that you don't have that, as we just want to see and work with the actual pages. So we don't want them to be we don't want the document to be pageless, of course. And also we have the orientation and paper size and margins and things you want to work with, right? So you can just tweak that if you wish. Then we can tap on the plus icon and insert a page break. So this might be useful to separate and start a new page if you're working with that, right? So that might be very useful. And also there you can find the page number section. So you could just click on that and see what it will kind of look like, in which corner the numbers will be written, or if you want to start it from the first or second letter. So you can pick that, and then your numbers will be or pages will be numbered, and you will see exactly how many you have available. And also you have the table of contacts, right? So you can find it with the pages, right? So you can just the page numbers, you can also just see that in the table of contents as well. So that's very useful too. So that's basically how you can see how many pages you have on Google Docs. That's pretty useful. Let me know below in the comments if there are some things you still like kind of wonder about or have some questions about. Leave them right there. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the future tutorials.